Oh, listen me now. Under the island moon, where the ocean whispers love, I wasn't searching for love, but love found me when I found you. Beneath the moonlight by the sea, you came and brought a change to me. Like the waves that touch the shore, my heart had been waiting for. The night was calm, the stars were bright, your smile was glowing in the light. Every moment felt so true, like the sky was made for me and you. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love was floating through the trees. Every heartbeat softly knew my forever started with you. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every dream, every sign led your heart straight to mine. Love found me beneath the island moonlight, like a beautiful dream coming true. With the ocean singing our song, I knew right where I belong. Love found me beneath the island moon, and my heart started dancing too. Every star shining above was a witness to our love. Oh, baby, you are my island blessing. Walking barefoot by the shore, I keep loving you more and more. The sound of waves, the midnight sky, reminds me why you caught my eye. Your gentle touch brings me peace, like a tropical summer breeze. In your arms I found my place, a home filled with love and grace. I don't need treasures from afar, you are my brightest shining star. The greatest gift I ever knew was the love I found in you. Hold me closer, stay with me, forever is where we should be. Through every season, through every tide, I want you always by my side. Love found me beneath the island moonlight, like a beautiful dream coming true. With the ocean singing our song, I knew right where I belong. Love found me beneath the island moon, and my heart started dancing too. Every star shining above was a witness to our love. Listen up. Some people search their whole life through for a love that feels so true, but Jah had a special plan when He placed your heart in my hands. Your laughter is my sweetest sound, the kind of love that can't be found. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world feel right, like flowers growing in the sun. Our beautiful journey has begun. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is moving through the trees. Moonlight shining, shining ocean wide. Forever with you, by my side. Two hearts, one dream, one love flowing like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the moon, singing our forever tune. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever Sometimes love is not searched for. Sometimes love arrives like the moonlight on the ocean, quietly, beautifully, and forever. Listen, you know, in a world full of storms, I found a place where my heart can rest, a place where the waves are calm. And that place is your love. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night, looking for a place to breathe, looking for a heart that believed. Then you came like ocean rain, washing away my hidden pain. Like the sunrise on the sea, you brought a new peace to me. Every smile you give my way makes a brighter, better day. Every touch and every kiss shows me what true comfort is. Like the waves that gently flow, your love gives my soul a home. In your arms I finally see the peace that was waiting for me. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this blessing called love. Every heartbeat, every tide says your love is my guide. Your love is my ocean of peace, where all my worries find release. Like the waves beneath the sky, you bring calm into my life. Your love is my ocean of peace, a beautiful love that never leaves. Every sunrise, every night, you are my shelter and my light. Oh baby, you are my paradise. Walking with you by the shore, me don't need anything more. Palm trees moving with the breeze, love is dancing through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my fears disappear. Every whisper from your heart makes a brand new beginning start. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause the richest heart can be the one that brings true peace to me. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every rain, your love will heal my heart again. Your love is my ocean of peace, where all my worries find release. Like the waves beneath the sky, you bring calm into my life. Your love is my ocean of peace, a beautiful love that never leaves. Every sunrise, every night, you are my shelter and my light. Listen, me know, some people search across the land for a love they can understand, but Jah bless me with a heart that was waiting from the start. Your love flows like the ocean blue, pure and deep and always true. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming through. Like a flower reaching the sun, our beautiful love has begun. Every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is floating through the seas. Heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me yours. No storm, no wave could take away the peace your love brings every day. When the years have passed us by, I still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, remembering how blessed we are. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true, my ocean of peace will always be you. Your love is my ocean of peace, a love that brings my heart release. Through the sunshine and the rain, I will choose you once again. Your love is my ocean of peace, a love that grows eternally through every season, every year. My heart will always keep you near, forever, forever. My calm, my poem, my ocean of peace is you. Yeah. Some people find peace in places, some people find peace in moments, but I found my peace in your love. Yeah. Listen me now. When the rhythm starts to play, when the ocean breeze begins to flow, there is only one place where my heart wants to be, dancing forever inside your love. Underneath the island sun, our beautiful journey has begun. With your hand holding mine, everything feels so divine. Palm trees moving with the breeze, love is floating through the trees. Every smile upon your face takes my heart to a special place. Like the waves that touch the shore, we keep loving you more and more. Every moment, every day, your love takes my breath away. When the music fills the night and the stars are shining bright, I can feel my heart believe this love was meant for me. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this island kind of love. Every heartbeat, every song, with you is where I belong. Dancing forever in your island love, like a blessing sent from above. With the ocean and the sky, we will never say goodbye. Dancing forever in your island love, where my heart is found in love. Every rhythm, every beat feels like paradise beneath my feet. Oh baby, keep dancing with me forever. Walking barefoot by the sea, your love feels like home to me. Golden sunsets paint the sky while I see the love inside your eyes. Every whisper, every kiss feels like a moment of pure bliss. Your gentle heart, your loving way makes me grateful every day. I don't need a perfect place, I found paradise in your embrace. 'Cause wherever you are near is where my heart wants to be here. Hold me closer, don't let go, let this island rhythm flow. Through the sunshine, through the rain, our love will always remain. Dancing forever in your island love, for a love they haven't found, but Jah knew what my heart needed most when He brought me to your coast. Your laughter is my sweetest melody. Your love is my harmony, like flowers blooming in the sun. Our forever has begun. Every sunrise tells our story. Every sunset shines with glory. No distance and no tide could ever pull us from this side. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is moving through the trees. Two hearts beating, one sweet sound. Forever love is what we found. Dance with me under the moon. Sing our love, our island tune. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, remembering how blessed we are. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Through every season we go through, my heart keeps dancing with you. Forever faithful, forever free, forever free. Your island love is all I need. Dancing forever in your island love, a feeling I will always trust. Like the ocean meets the sand, I found forever in your hand. Dancing forever in your island love, a treasure from the skies above. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever dancing, forever loving, forever you and me. Some rhythms fade away, but true love keeps dancing forever. And my heart will always dance with you. Mm. 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 Yeah. Listen to know, some places are beautiful, some moments are unforgettable, but nothing feels better than finding a heart where you truly belong. Before you came into my life, we was walking through the nights, searching for a place to stay, searching for a love to lead the way. Then you came like morning sun and showed me love had just begun. With your smile and gentle care, we found comfort waiting there. Every word you softly say takes my worries far away. Every touch and every embrace feels like home in a special place. Like the ocean meets the sand, I found peace inside your hand. Every heartbeat tells me true, my heart belongs with you. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every road, every sign, led your heart straight to mine. The way your heart feels like home makes me never feel alone. Like a shelter from the rain, you take away my pain. The way your heart feels like home is the sweetest place I've known. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, I found my home in you. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my doubts just disappear. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming true. I don't need diamonds waiting from the start. Your laughter is my favorite song. In your arms is where I belong. Every dream and every prayer found its answer standing there. Like a flower beneath the sun, our forever has begun. No distance and no time could ever change this love of mine. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is growing through the trees. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. No storm, no rain could take away the home I found in your embrace. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true, my favorite place will always be you. The way your heart feels like home means I'll never walk alone. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose you again and again. The way your heart feels like home is the greatest love I've known. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, my heart found a place called you. Yeah. Some people find a house, some people find a place, but the lucky ones find a heart that feels like home. Listen and know, some stories are written in books, some memories are written in the heart, but our love was written in the colors of the sunset. I remember the evening when we met, a moment we could never forget. Golden skies above the sea, you were standing right there with me. The sun was falling, the waves were low, a gentle breeze began to blow, and in that moment I could see a beautiful future for you and me. Your smile was shining like a light, turning everything so bright. Every heart beat softly knew this was something pure and true. Oh, Jah, we give thanks above for blessing me with love. Every color, every line showed your heart was meant for mine. Our love was written in the sunset, a story my heart won't forget. Like the colors across the sky, our love will never fade or die. Our love was written in the sunset, a promise that we won't regret. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Oh baby, I'll forever start it there. Walking with you beside the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Every whisper beneath the sky, every sparkle inside your eyes feels like a painting made by a Jah. A love more beautiful than ever was. I don't need treasures from afar, you are my brightest shining star. The greatest gift I ever knew was the love I found in you. search their whole life through for a love that feels so true. But Jah answered every prayer the day He placed you here, like flowers blooming after rain. Your love removed my deepest pain. Every moment that we share shows me how much you really care. When the moon appears at night and the stars begin to shine bright, I remember that sunset glow where our forever began to grow. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees. Golden skies, ocean blue. A perfect moment, me and you. No distance, no time could ever change the love written in our hearts. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever blessed, with you beside me. I have the best. Our love was written in the sunset, a memory my heart won't forget. Like the colors across the sky, our love will forever shine. Our love was written in the sunset, a love that time cannot erase. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Forever, forever, our story remains written in love. Some sunsets disappear, but some moments stay forever. And our love will always shine like the sunset where it all began. Listen, me know some people search the world looking for a place where they belong, but me found something better. A feeling, a love, a place beside you. Yeah. Before you came into my life, me was walking through the nights, looking for a heart so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your smile and gentle way, you brought sunshine to my day. Every moment close to you feels like a dream coming true. Every heartbeat softly says this love will never fade away. Like the ocean meets the shore, we keep loving you more and more. 'Cause the sweetest thing I know is the love you always show. Oh Jah, we give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every road, every sign led your heart straight to mine. The sweetest place is beside you, where my heart feels brand new. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every pain. The sweetest place is beside you, where every dream comes true. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, I don't need anywhere else. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through through the trees when you hold me close and near. All my worries disappear. Every whisper from your heart makes a beautiful new start. I don't need diamonds or gold. Your love and art is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is having your love around. Every laugh and every smile makes my life so worthwhile. Every little thing you do makes me fall in love with you. Stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand. Through every season, through every tide, I want you forever by my side. Oh, sweetest places beside you. Oh yeah, where my heart feels brand new. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every pain. The sweetest places beside you. Where every dream comes true. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, you know, some people chase the stars above, searching for a perfect love, but God blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts. Your laughter is my favorite song. In your arms is where I belong. Like a flower reaching the sun, our forever has begun. Every sunset paints the sky with the beauty of you and I. Every moon that shines above tells a story of our love. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees. Oh, heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. No place, no view could ever compare to the love I find with you. Oh. When the years have passed us by, I still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever blessed. With you beside me, I have the best. The sweetest place is beside you. Forever my heart belongs to you. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose you again and again. The sweetest place is beside you. The greatest love I ever knew. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Forever, forever, my favorite place will always be beside you. Yeah. Some places are beautiful, some moments are unforgettable, but the sweetest place my heart has ever known is right beside you. Listen, you know, some love begins with one smile, one heartbeat, one moment, and before you know it, 1,000 feelings become one love. Me remember the day we met, a moment we could never forget. Like the sunrise kissing the sea, you brought new life into me. Every smile you gave away brighten up my darkest day. Every touch so soft and true made me fall in love with you. Like like the breeze through coconut trees. You fill my soul with gentle peace. Every heartbeat softly said, this is where true love is led. Oh, Jah, thank you for this love, a blessing from above. Every feeling leads me to forever loving you. A thousand feelings, one love, a blessing sent from up above. Like the waves that kiss the shore, they keep loving you more and more. A thousand feelings, one heartfelt, nothing could keep us apart. Every sunrise, every night, you fill the world with love and light. Oh baby, forever starts with you. Walking barefoot by the sea, you are all my eyes can see. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, bringing out such perfect peace. When you whisper, I love you, me know every word is true. Every kiss beneath the sky makes my spirit start to fly. Me don't need diamonds or fame, your sweet love is on me claim. 'Cause every dream me ever knew found its home inside of you. Hold me close, don't let go, our love will always grow. Every heartbeat, every sigh says this love will never die. Oh, a thousand feelings, one love, a blessing sent from up above. Like the waves that kiss the shore, they keep loving you more and more. A thousand feelings, one heart, nothing could keep us apart. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, I know some people search a lifetime long, looking for where they belong, but just smiled on me that day when he sent you my way. You are the melody I sing, the joy in everything, like flowers reaching for the sun. Our forever has begun. Every sunset, every dawn makes our love keep growing strong. No matter where life carries us, we'll always choose our love. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze, love is dancing through the trees. A thousand dreams, one destiny forever, just you and me. When the years have all gone by, we'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing this love has come so far. Every morning we will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. 'Cause every feeling deep inside still grows stronger with time. Forever faithful, forever true. May always belong to you. A thousand feelings, one love, a blessing sent from up above. Like the waves that kiss the shore, they keep loving you more and more. A thousand feelings, one heart, time forever, never far apart. Through every season, every year, me promise I'll always keep you near. A thousand feelings, one love, one forever, one heart. You and me, yeah. Some hearts meet, some hearts love, but ours are from a thousand feelings in one love. Listen, I know before you came, my heart was beating, but it wasn't dancing. then just sent you, and everything found its rhythm. Before your love came into sight, we walked alone through every night, searching for a melody that could set my spirit free. Then you smiled and held my hand, like waves that gently kiss the sand. Every heartbeat came alive for the very first time, like reggae playing in the breeze. You brought my restless soul to peace. Every step and every kiss showed me what true loving is. Oh Jah, I give you praise for brighter nights and better days. Every heartbeat, every hymn, my heart has found its rhythm. My heart found its rhythm the moment it found your love, like the ocean meets the shore. Me love you more and more. My heart found its rhythm, a blessing from heaven above. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, dance with me forever. Walking slowly by the sea, you are everything to me. Palm trees swaying side to side, with your hand held close to mine. Every whisper that you say takes my lonely fears away. Every laugh and every smile makes this journey worthwhile. We don't need another dream, you are everything we need. Cause the greatest song I know is the love we always show. Hold me close, stay with me, together is where we'll be. Every heartbeat, every rhyme, moving together in perfect time. My heart found its rhythm the moment it found your love, like the ocean meets the shore. Me love you more and more. My heart found its rhythm, a blessing from heaven above. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen me know, every wave that reaches shore makes me love you even more. Every sunset paints the sky with forever you and I. Your love is my sweetest song, in your arms is where I belong. Every moment, every day shows me love's beautiful way. When the moon shines on the sea, it's your face that I still see. Every prayer Jah answered true when He brought me close to you. Feel the rhythm, feel the sound. True love has found its ground. Heart to heart, heart to heart, soul to soul, soul to soul. Your love has made my spirit whole. When the years have all gone by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Through every season we go through, I'll keep choosing only you. Forever faithful, forever true. My heart keeps dancing because of you. My heart found its rhythm the moment it found your love, hey, like the ocean meets the shore. Me love you more and more. My heart found its rhythm, forever beating strong and true. Through every season, every year, me promise I'll always keep you near. My heart found its rhythm the day it found you. Yeah. Some hearts search, some hearts gaze. Mine found its rhythm the moment you became mine forever. love lasts for a season, but true love feels like forever. And every moment with you is the sweetest feeling me I've ever known. From the day you walked my way, you chased my lonely clouds away. Like the sunrise on the sea, you brought new life inside of me. Every smile lights up my soul. Your sweet love has made me whole. Every heartbeat softly sings of the joy your loving brings. Like the flowers bloom in spring, you make my heart dance and sing. Every dream I felt so tight came alive the day we met. Oh Jah, we give you praise for this beautiful love that grows each day. Every heartbeat, every smile makes forever feel worthwhile. The sweet feeling of forever is loving you today and ever. Like the waves embrace the shore, me keep loving you more and more. The sweet feeling of forever keeps our hearts beating together. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, forever starts with us. Walking slowly by the sea feels like heaven next to me. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, bring our hearts such gentle peace. When you whisper, me love you, me believe every word is true. Every kiss beneath the sky lifts my spirit up so high. Me don't need a life of gold, your warm heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I found is your love that's all around. Hold me close, stay right here, every day, every year. Side by side, hand in hand, together forever is just plan. The sweet feeling of forever is loving you today and ever. Like the waves embrace the shore, me keep loving you more and more. The sweet feeling of forever keeps our hearts beating together. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Some people search a lifetime through, looking for a love so true, but Jah answered every prayer the day He placed you there. Your laughter is my favorite song, with you is where I belong. Every sunset paints the sky with the colors of you and I. Through every storm we'll stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Nothing in this world can change the love Jah has arranged. Yo, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees, heart to heart, soul to soul. some conversations need no words, because when two hearts truly love, they already understand. From the first time you looked at me, we felt your love so naturally, like the sunrise on the Caribbean Sea. You brought sweet harmony to me. Every smile you gently gave touched my heart just like the waves. Every moment, every embrace filled my soul with endless grace. When your eyes met mine that day, every fear just slipped away. Me knew Jah had made it true, a love so beautiful with you. Oh Jah, thank you for this love, a blessing from above. Every heartbeat, every sign brings your loving heart closer to mine. When your heart speaks to mine, every star begins to shine, like the ocean meets the shore. We keep loving you more and more. When your heart speaks to mine, everything feels so divine. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, keep talking to my soul. Walking barefoot by the sea feels like heaven next to me. Palm trees dancing in the breeze bring our hearts such perfect peace. Every whisper, soft and slow, makes my deepest feelings grow. Every kiss beneath the sky lifts my spirit up so high. Me don't need a perfect place, paradise is your embrace. 'Cause wherever you may be, that's where home will always be. Stay beside me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat, every smile makes forever worth the while. When your heart speaks to mine, every star begins to shine, like the ocean meets the shore. We keep loving you more and more. When your heart speaks to mine, everything feels so divine. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, I know some people hear with only ears, but true love listens through the years. Every silence that we share tells me just how much you care. Your heartbeat sings a melody that was always meant for me. Every dream and every prayer found its answer standing here, like the moonlight on the sea. Your love keeps surrounding me. Every sunset paints the sky with forever, you and I. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees, heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me whole. No words spoken, still I know your loving heart will never let me go. When the years have all gone by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, thanking Jah for who we are. Every morning I'll still choose a love we'll never ever lose. Forever faithful, forever true. Every heartbeat leads to you. When your heart speaks to mine, I hear forever. When your heart speaks to mine, from your heart to mine. To mine. You make my heart come alive. Listen, you know, before you came, my heart was only surviving, but your love taught it how to truly live. The day you walked into my life, you chased away the lonely nights. Like the sunrise on the sea, you brought new hope inside of me. Every smile you send my way makes my darkest skies turn gray. Every touch so warm and true makes me fall again for you. Like the breeze through island trees, you fill my soul with gentle peace. Every heartbeat sings your name, nothing stays the same. Oh Jah, me give you praise for brighter nights and better days. Every heartbeat, every smile, you make this life so worthwhile. You make my heart come alive with every kiss, with every smile. Like the waves upon the sea, you mean everything to me. You make my heart come alive. Your love lifts my spirit high. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, you are my sunshine forever. Walking barefoot by the shore makes me love you even more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze bring our hearts such perfect peace. Every whisper, soft and low, makes my deepest feelings grow. Every kiss beneath the sky makes my spirit start to fly. Me don't need a life of fame, calling out another name, 'cause the greatest gift I found is your love all around. Stay beside me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat, every day, you take all my fears away. You make my heart come alive, oh, with every kiss, with every smile. Like the waves upon the sea, you mean everything to me. You make my heart come alive. Your love lifts my spirit high. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, me know, some people search the whole world through, looking for a love so true, but Jah answered every prayer the day He placed here. Your laughter is my sweetest song. In your arms is where I belong. Every sunset paints the sky with forever, you and I. Through every storm we'll stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Nothing in this world can change the love Jah has arranged. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees, heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me whole, forever shining bright and true. My living heart belongs to you. forever true. My heart came alive because of you. You make my heart come alive, babe. With every kiss, with every smile, like the waves upon the sea, yeah. You mean everything to me. You make my heart come alive. A love that never says goodbye. Through every season, every year, the promise I'll always keep you near. You make my heart come alive every single day, forever, yeah. Some hearts only beat, mine truly came alive the moment it found you. It found you. Listen, me know some fires burn for a moment, but true love burns forever. And every beat of my heart still burns for you. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. From the first time you smiled at me, me felt something wild and free, like the sunrise touching the sea. You awaken love inside of me. Every glance, every sweet embrace paints a smile upon my face. Every heartbeat causing it since the day you came. Like the warm Caribbean sun, we knew you were the only one. Every dream we ever knew started coming true with you. Oh, Jah, me give you praise for brighter nights and better days. Every heartbeat burns so true with the fire I feel for you. The fire I feel for you burns with a love so true, like the sunshine on the sea. You mean everything to me. The fire I feel for you makes every dream feel brand new. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, keep this fire burning. Walking slowly by the shore makes me love you even more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze bring our heart such perfect peace. When you hold me close tonight, everything just feels so right. Every kiss beneath the sky lifts my spirit way up high. Me don't need silver or gold. Your warm heart is what me hold. 'Cause the richest soul alive is the one loved by your eyes. Stay beside me, hold me tight. Love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat, every flame keeps calling your sweet name. The fire I feel for you burns with the love so true, like the sunshine on the sea. You mean everything to me. The fire I feel for you makes every dream feel brand new. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, I know some people search a lifetime long, looking for where they belong, but Jah answered every prayer the day He placed you here. Your laughter is my favorite song. With you is where me belong. Like the waves upon the shore, me love you more and more. Every sunset, every dawn keeps us beautiful. Love strong no matter where life takes us to. Me always choose you. This burning heart belongs to you. The fire I feel for you burns with the love so true. Like the sunshine on the sea, you mean everything to me. The fire I feel for you will forever carry through every season, every year. Me promise I'll always keep you near. The fire still burns inside my heart for you forever. Yeah. Some flames disappear, but true love burns brighter with every year. And the fire me feel for you will never fade away. Mm. Mm. Every heart has a story, every soul has a dream. And then one day someone comes along and brings the sunshine. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Before you came into my life, my days were filled with cloudy skies, searching for a love so true, never knowing I would find you. Then your smile came shining true, like the morning sky so blue. Every moment you are near brings me art, a love so clear. You bring laughter to my days, fill my world with endless praise. Like a flower in the spring, you make my heart begin to sing. Oh, Jah, we thank you every day for sending love my way, a blessing so divine, a beautiful heart like mine. You bring sunshine to my feelings, make my heart believe in healing. Like the sunrise on the sea, you bring happiness to me. You bring sunshine to my soul. When we're broken, you make me whole. Every day and every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh, baby, you are my sunshine. Walking with you by the shore, we feel a love me can't ignore. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, sweet harmony among the trees. Every word is softly said takes my worries far away. Every touch and every smile makes this journey worthwhile. Me don't need diamonds or gold, your love is more precious to hold. 'Cause the treasure me have found is the love that stays around. Through the rain, through the storm, your love keeps me warm. Through the night, through the day, you chase the clouds away. You bring sunshine to my feelings, make my heart believe in healing. Like the sunrise on the sea, you bring happiness to me. You bring sunshine to my soul. When we're broken, you make me whole. Every day and every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen me now, some people search across the world for a love more beautiful than pearls, but me found my paradise when I looked into your eyes. Your love is like a tropical flower, growing stronger every hour. With every season that we face, you bring beauty, you bring grace. When the ocean waves are high and the clouds through the trees. No darkness, no fear. When you love, there's always near. Every sunrise reminds me why I thank Jah beneath the sky for the blessing I receive, for the love that makes me believe. Hand in hand we walk this road, sharing every heavy load. Through the years and through the time, your heart will always stay with mine. Forever grateful, forever true. Me found my happiness in you, and every feeling deep inside is brighter with you by my side. You bring sunshine to my feelings, make my heart believe in healing. Like the sunrise on the sea, you bring happiness to me. You bring sunshine to my soul. Forever you will be my home. Every day and every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh yeah, you are my sunshine, my beautiful feeling, forever and always. Yeah. Some love feels like a moment, but your love feels like forever. Sometimes love is not just a word. Sometimes love is a feeling that lives deep within the heart. And every time I look at you, I feel it. From the first day you came around, me heart found a beautiful sound, like a melody playing soft and slow. A special love began to grow. Me never knew I could feel a love so honest, a love so real. Every smile and every touch shows me why me love you so much. Like the flowers bloom beneath the sun, me know me found my special one. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming true. Oh Jah, me give thanks today for sending this love my way. A blessing from above, a heart filled with love. The love I feel inside is a feeling I cannot hide. Like the ocean meets the shore, me keep loving you more and more. The love I feel inside grows stronger with every tide. Through every season, every year, me will always keep you near. Oh baby, this love is real. Walking with you under the moon, dancing to our favorite tune. Palm trees moving with the breeze. Love is floating through the trees. Every word you said to me brings a feeling so heavenly. When you hold me close at night, everything feels so right. We don't need riches or gold. Your love is the treasure I hold, because a heart that loves sincere is the greatest gift right here. No distance, no time could ever change this heart of mine. Every beat, every breath calls your name again and again. The love I feel inside is a feeling I cannot hide. Like the ocean meets the shore, me keep loving you more and more. The love I feel inside grows stronger with every tide. Through every season, every year, me will always keep you near. Listen, I know some people search their whole life through for someone who feels like you, but Jah bless me with a love that came from heaven above. Your kindness and your gentle way bring happiness into my day. Every little thing you do makes me fall deeper for you. When the world feels cold and dark, you become my shining spark. Your love lights up my soul. Your heart makes me whole. Feel the rhythm, feel the flame. Love is calling my name. Through the waves, through the skies, I see forever in your eyes. Every sunrise, every sunset is a moment I won't forget, because I know I'm blessed to be sharing this love endlessly. Hand in hand we'll walk this road together, carrying every load. Through every storm and every rain, our love will always remain. Forever faithful, forever true. My heart belongs to you. The love I feel inside is a feeling I cannot hide. Like the ocean meets the shore, we keep loving you more and more. The love I feel inside will forever be my guide. Through every season, every year, we promise I'll always keep you near. Forever, forever, this love inside my heart will always belong to you. Yeah. Some love can be seen, but the deepest love is the one you feel inside. Yeah. Listen me now, every heartbeat, every breath, there is a rhythm that belongs to you. From the first moment me heart knew your name was written inside. Before you came into my life, me was searching for a love so right. Walking through the days alone, looking for a place called home. Then you came like ocean breeze, bringing peace and bringing ease. With your smile and gentle way, you bring sunshine to me day. Every time you look at me, me feel a love so deep and free. Like the waves that touch the sand, me found forever in your hand. Lord, me thank you for this love, a blessing from above. Every beat inside my chest tells me you are the best. My heart beats your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Like the ocean calling the shore, we keep loving you more and more. My heart beats your name. A love too beautiful to explain. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Oh baby, can you hear it? My heart beats your name. Walking with you by the sea feels like where we're meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the sky, love shining in your eyes. Every whisper, every smile makes me treasure every mile. Through the laughter, through the pain, me will choose you again and again. Me don't need a perfect world just to love my precious pearl. Cause the greatest gift me found is having you always around. Stay with me, hold me near, your love is everything. Me searching through the day and night, but me found a treasure true. When Jah bless me with you, your love is like a tropical flower, growing stronger every hour. Your kindness and your sweet embrace bring happiness into this place. When the moonlight fills the sky, we see forever in your eyes. And every star that shines above reminds me of our endless love. Hear the waves, feel the breeze, lovers dancing through the trees. No distance, no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because you are my melody, my sweetest song, my destiny. Hey, every morning when I wake, another memory we make. Every sunset when it falls, I hear your love. When silence calls, years may pass and seasons change, but my feelings stay the same. Hand in hand we'll walk this way, loving more with every day. Forever faithful, forever true. My heart will always belong to you. My heart beats your name, nothing will ever be the same. Like the ocean calling the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Oh, my heart beats your name, forever burning like a flame. Through every season, every year, I promise I'll always keep you near. Oh yeah, my heart, my soul, everything I am beats your name. Forever, yeah. Some songs are written by words, but some love songs are written by the heart, and mine will always beat your name. Your name. Yeah. Listen, you know, some things in life cannot be explained. Some feelings cannot be measured. The magic me feel only happens when I'm with you. From the first time you looked my way, I knew something changed that day. Like a rainbow after the rain, you brought colors back again. Your smile shine like morning sun, made me feel like we found the one. Every moment, every kiss feels like a dream I never want miss. You bring peace into my heart, even when we are apart. Every thought and every prayer reminds me of the love we share. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Something rare, something true. The magic me feel is because of you. The magic I feel with you makes every dream come true. Like the ocean and the sky, our love will never die. The magic I feel with you feels like a blessing brand new. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world bright. Oh baby, you are my miracle. Walking with you by the shore, me heart keeps asking for more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love floating through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my worries disappear. Your love feels like paradise, a precious gift beyond a price. Me don't need stars above, because me found mine, heaven in love. Every heartbeat tells me true. Me was meant to walk with you through the seasons, through the years. You will always dry the tears. No matter where life may go, this love will continue to grow. The magic I feel with you makes every dream come true, like the ocean and the sky. Our love will never die. The magic I feel with you feels like a blessing brand new. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world bright. Listen me now. Some people search across the land looking for a perfect hand, but Jah knew what me needed most and sent my love from coast to coast. Not just beauty that me see, but the kindness inside thee. Your heart is where the treasure lies, a beautiful soul behind your eyes. Every laugh and every smile makes the journey worthwhile. With you beside me every day, we know love will find a way. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the flame. Love is calling our names. Through the moonlight, through the sea, you are the magic living inside of me. No darkness, no fear, when true love is near. Every morning when the sun rises, we see happiness in your eyes. Every evening when stars appear, we feel grateful that you are here. Hand in hand, we'll walk through time, your heart forever close to mine. Through every challenge we may face, love will always find its place. Forever loving, forever true. We found my magic. When we found you, the magic I feel with you makes every dream come true. Like the ocean and the sky, our love will never die. The magic I feel with you, forever shining bright and new. Through every season, every year, my promise I'll always keep you near. Forever, forever. The magic I feel with you, yeah. Some magic comes from the stars, but the greatest magic is the love we carry in our hearts. Listen me know, some love only touches the heart, but a special love reaches deeper, beyond words, beyond time, straight to the soul. Jah. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I would find you. Then you came like morning light, turning everything so bright. With your kindness and your care, we found something truly rare. Every smile you give to me feels like waves across the sea. Every word you softly say brings more peace into me day. You don't just love me from afar, you show me who you really are. A heart so gentle, pure and true. Me feel blessed because of you. Oh, Jah, me thank you for this gift, for the love that gives me life. walking with your body shore. Me keep falling more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze. Love is singing through the trees. When you hold me close at night, everything feels warm and right, like a candle in the dark. Your love becomes my shining spark. Me don't need a perfect life without trouble, without strife. 'Cause with you beside me here, everything becomes more clear. Jah knew exactly what me need when he planted love like seed. Now it grows with every day in the most beautiful way. Stay with me, hold me on. Together we will always stand. Through the storm, through the rain, our love will never fade away. Your love touches my soul, makes my broken pieces whole, like the sunshine after rain. You wash away my pain. Your love touches my soul, more precious than diamonds or gold. Every heartbeat, every day, your love guides me on your way. Listen me now, some people search the world around for a love that can't be found, but me found a treasure true, hidden inside the heart of you. Your love is like a flower bloom, bringing fragrance to every room. Like the ocean meets the sand, we found peace inside your hand. No distance could ever change the feelings that remain the same. No season and no tide could take your love from my side. Every sunrise tells a story of a love filled with glory. Every star up in the sky knows this love will never die. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is growing through the trees. A love so deep, a love so strong. With you beside me, I belong. No words can explain, no song can describe the way your love touches my soul inside. Every morning when I wake, I thank Jah for the choice He made, for bringing you into my life, my blessing, my drive, my life. Years may pass and time may fly, still I look into your eyes and see the same love I knew from the moment I found you. Hand in hand we'll walk this road, sharing every heavy load. Forever faithful, forever true. My heart will always choose you. Your love touches my soul, oh, makes my broken pieces whole, like the sunshine after rain. You wash away my pain. Your love touches my soul, forever my heart will know. Through every season, every year, we promise I'll always keep you near. Forever, forever, your love touches my soul. Yeah, some love touches the heart, but true love touches the soul. And my soul will always belong to you. Listen now. Before you came into my life, we was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I would find you. Then you came like morning light, turning everything so bright. With your kindness and your care, we found something truly rare. Every smile you give to me feels like waves across the sea. Every word you softly say brings more peace into my day. You don't just love me from afar, you show me who you really are. A heart so gentle, pure and true. Me feel blessed because of you. Oh, Jah, me thank you for this gift, for the love that gives me lift. Listen me now. Some moments feel like they were written by Jah. Some love feels like a dream you never want to wake from. And tonight, we're lost in the feeling of us. Underneath the moonlight by the sea, you were standing right there with me. Ocean breeze was moving slow, and my heart began to know. From the first smile upon your face, me felt something I couldn't replace. Like a melody playing sweet and low, you became the place me want to go. Every little thing you do makes me heart run back to you. Every laugh and every kiss feels like a moment of pure bliss. Oh, Jah, me thank you tonight for a love that feels so right. No worries, no fear, when your loving heart is near. Lost in the feeling of us, lost in a love I can trust. Like a star shining above, we are surrounded by love. Lost in the feeling of us, where every moment feels enough. Through every wave and every tide, I want to ride here by my side. Oh, baby, don't wake me from this dream. Walking barefoot on the sand, feeling your fingers in me hand. Palm trees dancing with the breeze. Love is floating through the trees. Your eyes tell stories of forever, a love that time could never sever. Every whisper, every sound makes me glad that you have found me. Don't need a perfect place, paradise is in your embrace. 'Cause wherever you are standing near, me heart knows it belongs right here. Stay with me, hold me close, you are the one me love the most. Every heartbeat, every sigh says our love will never die. Lost in the feeling of us, lost in a love I can trust. Like a star shining above, we are surrounded by love. Lost in the feeling of us, where every moment feels enough. Through every wave and every tide, I want you right here by my side. Listen me now. Some people spend their whole life searching for a love that feels worth keeping, but me found something so rare. A heart that truly loves and cares. Like a flower beneath the sun, our beautiful journey has begun. Every season, every year, I will always keep you near. When the rain falls from the sky and the clouds cover up the night, me will still hold on to you, because our love is strong and true. Feel the rhythm, feel the flame, two hearts beat You walked into my life, me I knew you were the one. We searched so long for a love so true, then Jah lead me straight to you. Like the sunrise kissing the sea, you brought new life inside of me. Every smile you sent me with turned the darkest night to day. Every touch, every embrace filled my soul with amazing grace. We never knew our heart could sing till you became me everything. Know every beat inside my chest tell me Jah has blessed me with the best. Oh baby, every little thing you do makes me fall deeper for you. No fear, no doubt, only love pouring out. The feeling I found in your love is sweeter than the stars above, like gentle waves upon the shore. May love you more and more. The feeling I found in your love fits me out like a blessing from above. Every sunrise, every night, you make me whole, you make life right. Walking barefoot on the sand, holding tightly to your hand. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, fill my soul with perfect peace. Every sunset paints our dreams, nothing ever as it seems. Cause loving you has changed me soul. Know me heart finally feels whole. If tomorrow never comes, tell me know you are the one. Every prayer Jah answer true when Him brought me close to you. Stay with me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Nothing in this world could ever break this love forever. Feeling I found in your love is sweeter than the stars above, like gentle waves upon the shore. I love you more and more. The feeling I found in your love fits me on like a blessing from above. Every sunrise, every night, you make me whole, you make life right. If the rain should fall someday, we'll dance our worries away. If the storm should reach our door, me will love you even more. Cause real love never fades away, it grows much stronger every day. Jah wrote our names among the skies, forever shining in our eyes. Hear your laughter in the breeze, feel your love among the trees. Ocean whispers soft and low, tell me never let you go. Every heartbeat, every kiss remind me life was made for this. No richer man could ever be, and the one you made of me, together we'll grow old in time. Still your hand will stay in mine when the silver fills our hair. Me will love you everywhere. Feeling I found in your love is sweeter than the stars above, like gentle waves upon the shore. Me love you more and more. The feeling I found in your love will forever be enough. Through every season, every year, we promise I'll always keep you near forever. Forever, my heart belongs to you. Yeah, thank you, Jah, for the feeling we found in your love, forever and ever. Yeah. Ooh. From the very first smile Me knew something was different. No matter where life carried me, my heart always find its way back to you. From the moment you hold me and me feel like home in a distant land. Every heartbeat soft and true. My world begins and ends with you. Like the ocean kissing the shore, you give me peace forevermore. Every sunrise in your eyes paints my world with paradise. When the breeze whispers your name, my heart will never be the same. I knew exactly what to do when he brought me close to you. No place could ever compare to the love that we share. Every road lead me true, 'cause my heart feels at home with you. My heart feels at home with you. Every dream has come true. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every pain. My heart feels at home with you. Every day feels brand new. No matter where this life may go, your love is all we need to know. Walking slowly by the sea, only you and only me. Palm trees dancing overhead, every word is softly said. Every kiss feels warm and sweet, like reggae moving to its beat. Your embrace is where me stay. Never let this love fade away. When the stars begin to shine, me thank Jah that you are mine. Every blessing, every prayer, lead me to your loving care. Stay beside me night and day, promise you we'll never stray. Every smile feels so true, 'cause my heart lives home with you. My heart feels at home with you. Every dream has come true. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every pain. My heart feels at home with you. Every day feels brand new. No matter where this life may go, your love is all we need to know. If tomorrow brings a storm, your love will keep me warm. If the road gets hard to climb, me will stand by you every time. Nothing in this world could change this beautiful love we have arranged. Jah wrote our story from above, blessing us with endless love. Every sunset feels complete, every moment soft and sweet. Holding you beneath the sky makes my soul begin to fly. Years may pass and seasons change, still our love remains the same. Hand in hand we'll always be, living in sweet harmony. Wherever life may lead us to, me heart belongs forever to you. 'Cause home is not a place alone, home is wherever your love is known. My heart feels at home with you. Oh, every dream has come true. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every pain. My heart feels at home with you. Forever faithful, forever true. Through every sunrise, every night, you fill the world with love and light. Forever, forever, me heart will always find its way home to you. Yeah. No matter where me roam, no matter where me go, me heart feels with you. The way you make me feel. From the very first time you looked into my eyes, me had found a rhythm it never knew before. Child, this feeling is beautiful. Every morning starts with your smile, making every moment worthwhile. Like the sunrise on the Caribbean Sea, you bring out the best in me. When you hold me close at night, everything just feels so right. Every heartbeat soft and slow shows a love that continues to grow. Your gentle touch, your loving eyes feel like heaven in disguise. Every life we share together makes me love you even better. Nobody can love me this way. Every moment, every day, your sweet love feels so real. Me can't explain the way you make me feel. The way you make me feel makes every broken heart heal. Like the waves that kiss the shore, me love you more and more. The way you make me feel shows me what true love is for real. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my soul with love and light. Oh baby, don't ever let me go. Walking with your hand in mine, every little thing feels fine. Palm trees swaying in the breeze fill me heart with peaceful ease. When you whisper, me love you so, 1,000 flowers start to grow. Every dream becomes so clear, knowing you are always near. If the world should turn around, still with you is where I'm found. 'Cause your love has changed my life, taking away every pain and strife. Stay beside me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat feels so new, me only want a life with you. The way you make me feel makes every broken heart heal. Like the waves that kiss the shore, me love you more and more. The way you make me feel shows me what true love is for real. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my soul with love and light. If the rain should fall someday, we'll dance our worries far away. If the storm should reach our door, we will love you even more. Nothing can take this joy away. Our love grows stronger every day. God blessed us from above with everlasting, endless love. Ocean breeze sings our song, in your arms is where I belong. Every sunset paints the sky like the love in you and I. Years may come and years may go, still this love will always grow. Side by side, we'll always stand, walking hand in hand. Every prayer may ever prayed found its answer on that day when Jah brought your heart to mine. A perfect love by His design. Hey, the way you make me feel because of the way you make me feel. Yeah. Some feelings can't be explained, only felt. And every time you hold me close, me know you are the reason. When you smile across the room, every flower starts to bloom. Like the moon upon the sea, you bring sweet serenity. Every word you softly say chase my lonely fears away. Every touch upon the skin feels like paradise within. I never knew a love so deep. I promise that forever keeps. Every heartbeat tells me true. Me was always made for you. Nobody can touch me so like you do. You make me whole. Every dream, every wish leads me back to your kiss. A feeling only you can give is the reason that I live. Like the moonlight on the sea, you mean everything to me. A feeling only you can bring makes me heart forever sing. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, don't ever let me go. Walking slowly by your side, with the ocean as our guide. Palm trees dancing in the air, love is blooming everywhere. When you whisper, stay with me, my heart finds its melody. Every kiss feels warm and new, like the morning covered in dew. Jah has written our love story, filled with mercy, grace and glory. Every blessing from above, wrapped inside your endless love. Stay forever close to me, you are where me long to be. Every heartbeat, every sigh lifts me spirit to the sky. A feeling only you can give is the reason that I live. Like the moonlight on the sea, oh, you mean everything to me. A feeling only you can bring makes me heart forever sing. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll dance away every pain. If the night becomes too long, we'll hold each other and stay strong. Nothing in this world could change the beautiful love Jah arranged. From the day our eyes first met, you're the one me won't forget. Every wave that reaches shore makes me love you even more. Every star up in the sky knows this love will never die. Through the seasons, hand in hand, we'll build dreams upon the sand. Growing older, side by side, with your heart as my safe guide. No matter where this life may lead, your love is all me ever need. 'Cause every day me clearly see you are Jah's greatest gift to me. A feeling only you can give is the reason that I live. Like the moonlight time you come around, my heart finds a melody, your soul finds peace, and my smile comes alive. From the moment you call me name, my life has never been the same. Like the sunrise on the sea, you bring pure happiness to me. Every smile upon your face fills me heart with love and grace. Every little thing you do makes me fall again for you. When you wrap me in your arms, we forget life's storms and arms. Every heartbeat softly sings of the joy your loving brings. Nobody can make me shine quite like your love so divine. Every moment feels so clear. My soul smiles when you're near. My soul smiles when you're near. Every day becomes so clear, like the sunshine after rain. You wash away every pain. My soul smiles when you're near. Every whisper that me hear makes me hard believe it's true. Jah created me for you. Oh baby, stay forever by my side. Walking slowly by the sea, just your hand in mine with me. Palm trees swaying to the breeze, fill my soul with gentle peace. When you laugh, the birds all sing. Joy is found in everything. Every kiss feels fresh and new, like the morning covered in dew. Just bless this love we share, with His mercy everywhere. Every prayer me used to pray found its answer on that day. Stay beside me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat, every cheer starts because you are here. My soul smiles when you're near. Every day becomes so clear, like the sunshine after rain. You wash away every pain. My soul smiles when you're near. Every whisper that me hear makes me hard believe it's true. Jah created me for you. If the clouds should hide the sky, still our love will never die. We'll keep dancing in the rain, turning sorrow into gain. Nothing in this world can break the love Jah helped our hearts create. Every road we're walking through feels like home because of you. Every sunset paints the sea with the colors of you and me. Every wave that reaches shore makes me love you even more. Years may pass, but one thing's true: my heart will always run to you. Hand in hand we'll always stay, growing stronger every day. No richer soul could ever be than the one you made of me. Forever faithful, forever true. Me whole world begins with you. My soul smiles when you're near. Every day becomes so clear, like the sunshine after rain. You wash away every pain. My soul smiles when you're near, holding your From the very first embrace, I knew your love was different. It wasn't just a feeling, it was home, it was peace, it was forever. When you hold me in your arms, me feel safe from every storm. Like the sunrise warms the sea, you bring sweet serenity. Every smile upon your face fills my soul with endless grace. Every heartbeat next to mine feels like love by God's design. Through the laughter and the tears, you have chased away my fears. Every day me clearly see you are everything to me. Nobody can love me so. Your gentle heart continues to grow. Every moment feels brand new. Me only want a life with you. The warmth of your loving heart pull my broken soul apart and filled every empty space with your sweet love and embrace. The warmth of your loving heart has loved me from the very start. Like the sunshine after rain, you washed away every pain. Oh baby, keep loving me this way. Walking slowly by the shore makes me love you even more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze bring our hearts such perfect peace. Every whisper that you say takes me worries far away. Every kiss beneath the sky makes my spirit start to fly. Every blessing Jah has shown has made your loving heart me own. Every prayer me used to pray found it answering you today. Hold me closer, don't let go. Our sweet love will always grow. Side by side, me and you, forever faithful, forever true. The warmth of your loving arms pulled my broken soul apart, then filled every empty space with your sweet love and embrace. The warmth of your loving arms has loved me from the very start. Like the sunshine after rain, you washed away every pain. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll dance and smile to every pain. If the night should hide the light, your love will guide me through the night. Nothing in this world compares to the love your heart still shares. Jah has written from above a lifetime filled with endless love. Every wave that meets the sand reminds me of your gentle hand. Every star that lights the sky sees this love that will never die. When the years have all gone by, still together you and I, holding hands beneath the moon, singing our forever tune. No matter where this road may start, we'll always choose your loving heart. 'Cause home is found wherever you are, closer than the brightest star. The warmth of your love of your loving heart.